A car traveled 32 km at 96 km per hour and another 20 km at 60 km per hour. What was the average speed of the car for the whole journey? So average speed for the whole journey. You have to think of this triangle. DST, which stands for distance, speed, time. So for a whole journey, right, you have to find the total distance and the total time to find the speed for the whole journey. So I will draw this line graph. So for the first part of the journey, he traveled 32 km at 96 km per hour. For second part of the journey, he traveled 20 km at 60 km per hour. So to find the total distance for the whole journey, you can see you just have to add up this and this. 32 plus 20, which is 52. Now we have the total distance, which is 52 km. We have to find out what the total time is, right, in order to find out what was the average speed of the whole journey. So in this case, you weren't given time for the individual parts of the journey. Instead, you're given speed. But since you have the distance and you have the speed, you can find the time, right? The time taken for the first part of the journey and the time taken for the second part of the journey. So how do you make use of this triangle? So distance is 32, speed is 96. So to find out the time taken, just have to take 32, the one at the top, divide by the one at the bottom, divide by 96. This should give you 1/3, because both are divisible by 32. Divide by 32, divide by 32, give you 1/3. Next, the time for the second part, same logic, DST. So to find out the time, you take the distance, divide by the speed. So cancel a 0. Both are divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2 give you 1. 6 divided by 2 give you 3. So you also have 1/3. So the total time taken for the whole journey was just 1/3 here plus another 1/3, which gives you 2/3 hour. So now you can find the average speed for the whole journey, right? So the speed, just the total distance divided by total time. Total distance traveled was 52. Total time taken was 2/3. So it's 52 divided by 2/3. So division of fraction, remember your acronym, keep, change, flip. Keep the 52. Change the sign to times. Flip 2/3, so it becomes 3/2. So simplify things. Both are divisible by 2. 52 divided by 2 give you 26. 2 divided by 2 give you 1. So now you have 26 times 3. This is paper 1, so you have to work it out yourself. So you get 78 km per hour. I would say it's a rather long question and an overkill, but it's what differentiates students.